This is Wayne Hills TV News, featuring Anthony Gale, Suhat Cho, and Dylan Orrin King.
Good morning, Wayne Hills. I'm Anthony Gale.
And I'm Suhat Cho. Happy Friday. The reigning Wayne Knights Passaic County champions are back where they left off following an extremely successful 2017-2018 season. After a tough county final loss to rival Lakeland, the team's record sits at 10-6-3. The boys have 3 more games left before conference playoffs and the state tournament. The Knights take on state powerhouse Randolph, as well as Howell and a team to be determined. The team will likely earn a top 10 seed in the NJSIAA state tournament this year. After what the Knights proved last year with a memorable state run, another deep run into the state tournament is anticipated. In addition to states, the Knights will defend their Big North Silver Cup in the upcoming conference playoffs. The team will rely on strong defense and senior leadership as the fun part of the season approaches. Now let's send it over to Nebi for our weekend weather forecast.
Thanks, Suha. I think we've all had it with the cold weather. On Friday, you can expect a high of 21 and a low of 10 degrees with a slight chance of wind. On Saturday, it's Groundhog's Day, and our friend Puxtelling Phil will let us know if spring's coming early or winter is going to stay. On Sunday, it's supposed to be the hottest of the 3 days with a high of 45 and a low of 30. Don't expect too much sun as it's supposed to be partly cloudy all 3 days. Thanks, guys. Back over to you.
Thank you, Nebi. Both boys and girls bowlers are gearing up for the upcoming state tournament. Coach Bazzicato and the boys are practicing for their state tournament event on February 9th at Boulder City in Hackensack. They're being led by captains Tom Lucetta and Dylan Heinold and will also play against Wayne Valley on February 5th. The boys team won the Holiday Breaker tournament on December 28th. Junior Tom Lucetta has a 214 average, junior Dylan Heinold has a 208 average, and freshman Zachary Jordan with a 208 average. Mr. Keogh and the girls bowling team will participate in their state tournament tomorrow at Boulder City in Hackensack. Senior Trisha Mehta has been leading the team successfully and has helped earn the place of second in the whole county. Sophomores Maddie Heinold, Asha Matapura, and Leah Rogers have also helped the girls earn a 6-4 record. They have 3 upcoming matches next week, 2 of which are against Wayne Valley on February 4th and 5th.
The ski team is off to an exceptional start for the 2018-2019 season. All of their meets take place at Mountain Creek in Vernon, led by their coach Peter Strands. Their team captains are seniors Mike Ferreira and James Bradley. This season's boys varsity team includes both Ferreira and Bradley and sophomore Chris Anderson, junior Dylan Shear, junior Ben Crasati, and freshman Ryan Brim. The girls varsity team, though on the smaller side, has quality skiers including Nicole Bergman, Caitlin Murakami, and Julia Malecki. On the boys' meet against Wayne Valley, Sparta, and Vernon on the 25th, they came in 3rd with an overall time of 6:35. Standout sophomore Chris Anderson came in 5th in the meet with a time of 1:29. The girls came in 6th with a time of 9:12, with sophomore Nicole Bergman having the best time of 1:48. Great job to all of our skiers.
Our continued wellness efforts included a fun day of pet therapy in the band room. The program had overall positive effects as students and staff were able to visit the highly trained therapy dogs and de-stress for a while. Students came during their lunch periods for about 10 to 15 minutes where they were able to interact with the dogs. Students from photography also came to the event to take pictures of the students and staff with the dogs. Many students felt relaxed and stress-free after seeing the dogs and being near them. Some dogs, one including Shetland the sheepdog, were even dressed in costumes to add a bit of flavor to the occasion.
Well, that's it for this video morning announcement.
Got a suggestion on what should be in the next morning announcement? DM us on Instagram and Twitter and let us know at Wayne Hills TV. I'm Anthony Gale.
And I'm Suhat Cho, and you just watched the video morning announcement.